Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone to the channel IT Simplified. In today's video on Azure, I will show you how you can create your database running on SQL 2016 Developer Edition that we deployed in our last video. So if you've been following this track, in the last session we deployed a server with the name SQL 2016. It is under the resource group DPRG running on Canada Central Location. And we will be deploying our first database on this server. So let's get started by connecting to this server. By providing the appropriate credentials. And if I expand my database, you will see I don't have any database because this is a fresh installation, and we'll be starting with deploying our first database on this server. So let's get started by click on a new query, and we can use the create command, and I can name this first database and execute this. So the command was completed successfully. So if I go and refresh, I should be able to see first DB. So here you go. The first database was created successfully. And if I expand this and go under tables, you'll see that right now I don't have any tables because I have not created one. So what we can do is we can either have a new query for this one, or I can just select my first database, highlight this, and go to tables, click new, and select table, and I can also create from here. So let's start by creating certain columns. So now this table will have information about the employees. So I want to have say employee ID, and have it integer. I can also have the employee name. I can restrict this to 10 character. I can also include the salary, how much they are making, and let's also include the age. Okay, that should be good. And if I go on to the save table option, I can click here, and I can give the name, say I'll name it employee info, and click on OK. And again, if I go and refresh, you will see that we have a new table with the name employee info, which is good. So far we created our first database with the name firstDB, then we created a table in that with certain parameters, and now what we'll do is we'll put some information. So we'll put some information about the employees in this table. So what you can do is you can just highlight this table and go to edit top 200 rows, and let's start inputting some information on this. So let's put the employee ID, the name of the employee in the organization, how much they are making, their age, second employee, their age, and let's also create one more. Okay, so that's good. And if I want to see that that information was input in the table or not, I can just go to new query, and I can just type this say command, or which is a select command. And if I execute this, I should see that information. So here we go. We have the employee IDs, we have the employee name, the salary, and the age. So all this information is compiled under this table. So that is great. So in this video, we saw how to create the database on our SQL Server 2016 Developer Edition. Then we also included the tables with some columns, and we have input some information on that. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.